What's up guys, Braden here with SuperATV, and today we're going to be showing you how to install SuperATV's front accent light on this Polaris RZR Turbo R. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to do is remove the two T40s, securing the hood to the machine. Once your hardware is removed, grab the hood, remove it. Then we're going to remove this T40 right here in the center. Just lift up, remove this panel here, set it aside. Then we're going to remove this push pin right here. And then these two T40s. And that's going to allow us to move our fender up and out of the way. Now we're going to depress the two tabs on our grill, then remove it, set it aside. All right, so then what you're going to do is take your hand, slide it back in behind here, and you're going to locate 4 nuts that are attaching the factory accent light to the machine. Once you locate them, you're going to take an 11mm socket on a ratchet, slide it onto your nut, and just remove all 4. For the outer nuts, I like to use a ratchet wrench. It's just a little bit easier to get in there. It does get kind of tight to the radiator. Once all the hardware is removed, we're just going to slide our front accent light back, and you're going to see there's going to be a plug right in the center. Just pick up on the tab of the plug, and then remove the accent light from the machine. Now what we're going to do is lift up the fender, run our wires down to where the light is mounted. We just want this controller to lay right in this vicinity in here. Then we'll grab our factory connection. We'll plug it in to our controller harness, just like so. We'll tie these wires up here before we're all done. We don't want any of that hanging down. Then we're going to grab our accent light, plug it into our harness. We'll run this nut up to secure it. Tighten it down. We're going to take our light and install it right into the factory mounting locations. And we'll just grab our factory hardware and install it onto each of the studs. Once the hardware is started, we're just going to go through and fully tighten all of the nuts. All right, once you have all your hardware started or fully tightened, what you're going to do is grab your controller. So you lift up your fender again. Just going to grab the controller, slide all the wiring harness and everything up directly above the headlight. It'll just tuck up in there nicely, and then you don't have any wires hanging down. It's as clean as it can possibly be. Then we're going to turn our key on and make sure everything's working. Now we can cycle through all the different colors that we have. There's different patterns. can increase the speed and decrease the speed. You can also increase or decrease the brightness. You can power them off if you'd like, and just turn them right back on. Tons of options here. Once we've confirmed that everything's functioning as it should, we're just going to go ahead and reinstall all of our panels and hardware that we previously removed. So that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's front accent light on this Polaris RZR Turbo R. Be sure to check the description below to pick yours up today, and while you're there, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.